Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I would like to show how you can turn off power saving mode in a Huawei phone. So first you will need to launch settings, then enter the battery category and turn off the power saving mode toggle. There is also the second way that you can disable the battery saver with or using which that is the control panel shortcut. So in my case, I do not have it added, as you will not have it added as well, unless you, added it manually. Anyway, in order to add the power saving mode icon over here, you will need to, expand or extend the quick access panel, tap at this icon over here next to the gear icon, then open the edit switches interface and drag the power saving mode tile from the list of unused shortcuts to the list of, shortcuts that are active and shown at the control panel. Then you can save the changes and get back. And here I have the power saving mode toggle that now I can, whatever I am currently, regardless of the app that I use, I can just slide down the control panel like that and turn off the power saving mode by tapping at its respective tile at the quick access panel or notification panel. Anyway, that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.